Avanti has a long history, founded in 1984 by Dr. Richard Wallen, a PhD from MIT. As the story goes, first founded Avanti, he wrote an estimating product on his dining room table. He had a couple of friends in the Toronto print market that really couldn't find what they wanted, and commissioned Richard to write the very first startings of an MIS system, which was an estimating system in DOS. They continued along, built out most of an MIS system in DOS version. Y2K came upon us, and as most companies had to, we had to rewrite our software. It also allowed us to transition into Windows. They successfully rewrote the software in a Windows version. That version we now call Avanti Classic, and we actually still support and modify the product to this day. About 8 years ago, we rewrote the Classic product from the ground up. We wrote Avanti Slingshot. The main reasons we did so was we wanted a browser-based product. The market had changed significantly over the last 10 years, really moving from an offset world with some digital to a world with multiple lines of business where printers were focused on definitely still offset, definitely still digital, but large format, wide format, print and mail, marketing services, and also fulfillment was another big avenue that printers had gone down. And they really needed a product that could bring all of those items together into a single product with a single database, and that was Avanti Slingshot. Myself and two partners bought the company from Richard Wallen 16 years ago, ran it successfully, and then just in the last 3 years, we sold Avanti to Ricoh Corporation. There's an enormous advantage in having Ricoh own the company. In addition to the additional resources that they've added to Avanti, they also have longevity and have a good strategic plan for Avanti long term. Ricoh has invested additional resources in Avanti, which has allowed us to grow. And it's allowed us to grow in two key areas. One, we've been able to grow our product and the ideas that go into the product fairly substantially and really serve the markets that we focused on very well. And then secondly, we've managed to grow from the sales side as well, and we're entering new markets starting with the UK, and then from the UK entering into the rest of Europe. If I look out 3 to 5 years, there's a number of things that I would focus on, but primary focus would be on automation. Avanti is already at the forefront of automation. I see even more automation coming in the next number of years. The key is to put the data in the hands of the business users so we can help them make better business decisions in running their company.